Do you know the signs that point to needing replacement windows in Hereford? There are several, and when you see them, replacing your existing windows is the best option for not only the safety of your home, but also for energy efficiency purposes. When your existing windows are an issue, Amarillo Solar Shade offers beautiful replacement windows that will enhance your home dramatically. Let's take a look at the major signs that you need replacement windows. Place your hand around your window. Do you feel air coming in around them? If so, you could have broken seals in your windows. If so, you are wasting money each month as your HVAC works harder to keep your home at your desired temperature. Hence, you could be seeing higher than normal energy bills as well. Is the noise in your neighborhood getting louder inside your home? Are you having a hard time opening and closing your windows? Do you find the lock mechanism is hit or miss when it works on your existing windows? Are you putting a towel around your windows due to condensation? Condensation can penetrate the frame and the window sills, making them feel spongy. It could even lead to mold and mildew growth, neither of which you want. In any of these cases, replacement windows are the solution. At Amarillo Solar Shade, we are well equipped to handle your Smith County replacement window project. For your free estimate for replacement windows in Hereford, call us today at 806-356-0186.